We are in a very busy road and I just saw this tree and it's a conference pear, bunches of it. This tree is practically heavy, bending under the weight of these pears. I can say probably around a ton of, 500 kilos of pear. Look at it. Everywhere pear. This is the peariest pear tree I've ever seen. Conference pear. Just outside, not in anybody's land.